Hello and welcome back to Doshin Time. Today I will be reviewing the Seiko SNK791. Now for those of you who are unaware, the Seiko SNK79 is a highly sought after, super rare Seiko that features an ice blue dial. The dial color is very similar to that of the Seiko SNK791, but there are a few differences, most noticeably the lack of the Roman numerals that are featured on the SNK791. Now, I managed to source two of these, so one of them will be for sale in the description below. Send me a message on my Instagram, on my Twitter, or on my Facebook, and perhaps we can organize a sale. Nevertheless, let's get into the unboxing and review of the SNK791. Okay, now it's time to unbox the SNK791. I won't be doing wristwatch check just yet because I have a surprise at the end of the video. So let's get into it. I don't use any fancy knives or anything. It's nothing branded, it's nothing fancy. I know some people really care about the knives. It's just a $4 crappy knife, but it does the job. And yeah, I'm not a knife person. I'm sorry if you're upset, then yeah, I sincerely apologize, but it's just not something that interests me. Anyway, we get through some bubble wrap and we are faced with more bubble wrap, some scotch tape and stuff. Just gonna try and get through all of that. It's annoying because you know, sometimes you do like it. I think I do like it when people wrap the items well, but at the same time it makes it more annoying. So it's sort of a bittersweet feeling. The Seiko manual. Oh, I think it's stuck. Yeah, it's just some scotch tape or something. The Seiko manual with the warranty card with the watch serial number, which we will cross-reference with the watch later. 700445. Yeah, pretty standard. And now we can get into the proper wristwatch. Okay, a cloth. We're getting there. We're getting there. And I think it's concealed with more tape. So just try and tear that. Oh, okay, cool. Just tear it. Yeah, nice. And here we go. This is it. There she is. There she is. Let's bring her out. Remove these. And there we have it. The Seiko SNK791. Brand new in box. I won't be removing the stickers or anything. I'm using gloves because this is going up for sale immediately on my Instagram page. So please send a message through the link below if you're interested or if you want to make the purchase. It's a very nice watch. It's already running, which is always a good thing. And as usual, we're just gonna test the winding. Oh, it's got some tape on it. I'm not sure if you can see, but just gonna have to remove my glove for this part. I'll just remove this bit of tape around the crown just to test. So here we go, the winding. Yeah, the date and day changes, so that's good. Next, the date wheel and the day wheel. Yep, looks perfect. Very nice, very nice. You know what? Let's go all the way back around to Saturday, like that. There we have it, a nice blue to match the face of the watch. Very nice. The case is in obviously brand new condition. Just removed a little bit of tape on the crown, but look at that, an ice blue dial. It's very similar, I think, to the platinum Rolex day date, at least on pictures. In real life, I've not seen the day date, but I would assume it's a similar ice bluey color, and it's very nice. I'm not a fan of the case. I'm not a fan of the bracelet. Now this bracelet is a bog standard Seiko 5 bracelet, nothing to write home about. I do prefer the Seiko Jubilees or the Seiko Oysters, or even just the regular Seiko bracelets that they put on the Seiko Nautilus. It is tapered. This one I don't think it tapers at all, and I'm just not a fan. Maybe it slightly tapers, but I'm just not a fan of the bracelet. I'm not a fan of the case either. I think it is too round. It just makes the watch look very flat, and although it does have some nice beveled edges, I must say, just not a fan of it for some reason. But yeah, very nice watch. I managed to pick up two, and I will show you my wristwatch check right now, because I am wearing the same watch, but it is recased in a much nicer case in my opinion. It's got more corrector this way, I think. It's a fully polished case, very oyster style, and it's got a nice bracelet as well. I'm planning to get the middle links polished just to make it look more presidential, but I love it. I think this is the case of the Seiko reference number SNK791. It is a discontinued model as well, so finding this case was not easy, I'll tell you that much. But I managed to get one and I am loving it. I've got the movement and the dial and the hands and everything else inside. The only thing that's left behind is the case, the crown, and the bracelet. Those are kept safely, because whenever you do a recase, you're just going to want to have the original parts in case of a rainy day. If you're going to sell the watch, I think it sells for more when it's fully original. So this is my recased version. Which do you prefer? Comment down below. Do you prefer the bog standard roundish version or my oyster style oyster style case? I know which I prefer. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below, which do you prefer? Yeah, this watch will be for sale. Brand new, fully wrapped box, papers, tags, stickers, everything a brand new watch hunter could ask for. Very, very nice. The dial is definitely the attraction. I can't wait till I get in my Seiko SNK791 because it's got a similar colored dial. There are two different blues. There's a sunburst blue and then a surrounding flat kind of matte baby blue, which is very, very nice. I'm going to get the SNK791 and that one will not be for sale because I only managed to source one and I'm definitely keeping it. I love the color, I love the blue. Very, very representative of the presidential Rolex, and also the outer circle on the dial. The color there is very representative of the new Oyster Perpetual, the Tiffany blue. If the whole dial was that outer blue and without the sunburst, I think this would go for double, maybe triple the price. So this is a Seiko 5, so the 5 usual characteristics are present: automatic, day date, display case back, water resistant, and robust. 7S26 movement. And all I can say is, what a watch this is. Truly stunning, truly spectacular. That ice blue just gets you every time. It's impossible to find these now, so prices of these are extremely high compared to what they retailed for. I think it's more than double, if not triple, the price. I love how the indices play with the light as well, very similar to many of the modern day Rolexes, and I'm sorry I can't help but keep comparing this watch to Rolex. I'm not sure if it's the color or the dial. It is definitely the dial and perhaps the shape of this case, but it does look like a much more expensive watch compared to what it sells for. Just the quality of the case, the indices, the hands, there's a blued second hand, and it's all these little details that Seiko take very seriously to create masterpieces that we have before us today. And you can't say much but tip your hat and congratulate them for making a $10,000 Rolex for less than $500,000. So there we have it, the Seiko SNK791. You can get this watch from my Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. Just send me a message. All my links are in the description below, so don't miss out. Now there you have it. That is the review of the Seiko SNK791. What do you think? Do you like the watch? Would it be something you would wear? Share with me all your thoughts and opinions in the comments section below, and I will be more than happy to respond to every single one of them. That is, after all, one of the benefits of being a small-time YouTube channel. A reminder that if you would like to purchase the SNK791, you can send me a message on any of my social medias below. Please check out all the links down in the description below, and I will see you in the next video. So I will see you here on Doshin Time very soon. Until then, take care.